Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the largest used truck selection in South Arkansas. And we just got another beautiful truck in. This is a 2013 Ram 1500 SLT package. As you can see, it's been well taken care of. It's got great headlights without any fog on them, chrome bumper, alloy wheels. The black and chrome just shiny and just really pops when it's cleaned up. Got a rear sliding window there. Nice chrome rear bumper. Drop-in bed liner. Beautiful, beautiful black chrome accents. Tires are okay on it. Inside, it's a brown, really like a cloth version of the Longhorn Laramie, so to speak. It's got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, cargo light, automatic headlights. Seats are in great shape. A little bit of elbow wear here, but other than that, great shape, super clean in the inside. Of course, your auxiliary and USB there. This will flip up for a 6th passenger. Let's go ahead and start it up. Air's blowing nice and cold. It's got 146,000 miles on it. In steering controls, standard AC and radio, etc. A couple of charging ports down there. AC feels really good right now. It's warm out today. In the back, you got 3 more seat belts there. Again, that beautiful brown throughout. It's got the 4.7 liter V8 standard engine for this truck. There's your rear sliding window. The seats in the back here, they don't look like they've ever been sat in. There's literally almost no wear on the carpet and floor mats in the back. The front has the Ram branded floor mats. Passenger seat, again, almost no wear. Couple of glove boxes. AC's blowing right here, ice cold. Again, decent tires. Quiet 4.7 V8. Love to get you approved on this truck. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the credit application, and somebody will be in touch. Remember, trust the nut.